Want to show how to do a 3-stage metallic white pearl. First, I put the ground coat white down. Then I'm going to put tape on, and I'm going to show you how this letdown panel is going to work. It's going to show each coat. This works with red too, this same idea. Put your ground coat down first, then you want to layer paint like this, and I'm going to show you just how to do this so you can match the 3 stages so much easier without the headaches. Now I base this out. I've let it set for about 20 minutes before I'm putting the tape on it because I don't want to mess it up. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 coats. It's going to be 5 coats of metallic all together when I do this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. This always matters. That way you can always make the paint look good. Spray outs on all the jobs work great. That way you know what you're dealing with. Now, there's the ground coat. I'm going to put the first coat on. Now I'm going to put the second coat on. I'm going to pull this off. Spray just like you're spraying the car. Do your overlap. This is going to be the third coat. Going to be the fourth coat. Let it dry between each coat, just like you're painting. Don't try and jam it all on at the same time. It'll just mess it up. This is going to be the fifth coat. Okay, now we're going to put just 2 coats of clear on the spray out sheet. Now we have it, 1 letdown panel. Okay, now if you look at the letdown panel, that's 1 coat, 2 coat, 3 coat, 4 coat, 5 coat. Sort of hard to see it, but it matches up against the car really nice for blending, and now you know what you're up against. I'm hoping it shows a better view of the letdown panel in the sun so you can see it. You can see the first letdown I did was way off. This is why I like to do spray outs, is because you can run into major problems. If you just take a couple minutes, do a spray out, you'll know exactly what you're doing. And this one looks a lot better in person. And this is what I'm going to be blending out on the car. It's 1 coat, 2 coat, 3 coat, 4 coat, 5 coat. And it's going to fall in a 2 coat range. It looks good. The other one's too gray. I've got that all ground coated out. Now I've got the mica metallic in here. I'm going to blend this out so I can show you how I applied the metallic. Hopefully this helps people that are trying to paint 3 stages because they are a little difficult at times. right, I've got the first coat on it. Now I'm going to put the second coat on it. And with the spray out I did, it only took 2 coats to do it. Here we go. All right. I've talked about spraying at 45 pounds where I get it to lay down the way I like it. Now, if you call your paint store and get the TDS, the technical data sheet, it will tell you for a gravity feed gun on the clear I'm using, a good urethane clear coat, it is 35 to 50 pounds spray pressure at the gun. I'm not pulling numbers out of the air. This is on the technical data sheet, so you can find it. But this is what works for me. I've experimented, and this is the way they lay down the best for me. So if you would please like and subscribe, I'd have other videos. I would like people to see what I'm doing, and I'm hoping it helps people to do it right the first time. An old saying my father and that had was, once you hack, you never go back. So let's try and stick with doing a really good job and making them look really good. All right, I'm ready to put my second coat on, and I'm going to show you my blending while I do this. Now when I'm putting this on, I'm melting the blend away so you can't see it. That's what this does. You can use a reducer too. It's all in preference on what you're more comfortable with. This is also how I get them to lay down real nice. If you can see, it really looks good. I know the roof has a bunch of dents in it. They didn't want to fix it as hail damage, but the paint looks real good. And this is to show the color match. I pulled the paper back so you can see. That's what's nice about doing a spray out first, so you got an idea of what's going on and what you're dealing with.